In the library, you purchased additional copies of the 9th grade history textbook Кораки в часу 9. Holdings data is usually similar for the same title. If all copies are on the same shelf, they have the same call number. If they were acquired at the same time, they have the same acquisition data. Within the same bibliographic record, inventory fields can be multiplied, making your work easier. You already have one copy of the textbook Кораки в часу 9 in the library. You have purchased 2 additional copies. In the content set material, find the material. With the procedure Show Fields 996, 997, search for fields 996 with holdings data, select the field, and the selected field is loaded into the active field 996, 997 search window. Mark the field and use the Edit button to check the data. The data on the call number, accession number counter, and status are current, so it makes sense to multiply it. The acquisition data is not current, so you will not multiply it. Exit the editor window. In the active field 996, 997 search window, select the field you want to multiply and select the multiply field 996, 997 procedure. For a number of fields 996, 997, enter 2. All subfields should be multiplied, so you do not change or delete the set of subfields. Since you do not want the acquisition data to be copied, you remove the checkmarked Copy All Acquisition Data. Select that the field 996, 997 editor should open for the fields that will be created. Confirm with OK. The editor of the new Just Multiply field opens, in which you can check the data that has been multiplied. Since you still need to enter acquisition data, click on the pencil icon to enter acquisition data. Select the acquisition type from the drop-down list. Then click the Acquisition Data button and enter the final price for the copy, as well as the invoice number and date. Save the acquisition data. A new field editor will open, where you enter the acquisition data for the second copy. Select the acquisition type and enter the price and invoice data. The window with a list of multiplied fields 996, 997 will open. If you select them, they are loaded on the top of the list in the active field 996, 997 search window.